Hi everyone, in this video, I will talk about Autopilot Investment App. Autopilot is an innovative investment app that allows users to automate their portfolios by mirroring the trades of prominent figures, including politicians and renowned investors. Some of its key features are: first, automated portfolio management. Users can connect their brokerage accounts to Autopilot, enabling the app to replicate the trades made by selected figures in real time. This feature simplifies the investment process for those seeking a hands-off approach. Next is a diverse investment options. Autopilot offers a range of portfolios to follow, from political figures like Nancy Pelosi to esteemed investment managers such as Warren Buffett. This diversity allows users to align their investments with strategies they trust or find intriguing. Lastly is the security measures. The app employs bank-level security protocols to ensure the safety of users' data and investments, providing peace of mind in an increasingly digital financial landscape. Now, some of the user experience are: with over 4,000 review on the App Store and an average rating of 4.5 stars, Autopilot has been well received by its user base. Users appreciate the app's intuitive interface and the ability to automate investments based on the actions of public figures. So in conclusion, Autopilot presents a novel approach to investing by allowing users to automate their portfolio based on trades of well-known figures. While the app offers convenience and a unique investment strategy, potential users should be aware of the inherent delays in trade disclosures and consider the ethical implications of mirroring politicians' investment. As with any investment tool, it's crucial to conduct thorough research and ensure that the platform aligns with your individual financial goals and risk tolerance. And that's basically it.